When Chromevox was first released in 2011, it was lacking in so many ways. But now we're in 2022, and today, Chromevox is a sturdy, well-rounded screen reader. Let's see what it can do today on Tech Tip Tuesday. Chromevox is a built-in screen reader and is available on all Chromebooks, just like this one. The good news is you don't have to download or install it, you just have to hit a key command and it's on. Since so many school districts are using Chromebooks to get all students on devices, Chromevox is a good possibility for students who might have the skills to learn multiple screen readers. In many ways, Chromevox is a simpler screen reader to learn than JAWS, NVDA, or VoiceOver, but it still has all of those features that you'd expect from a really good screen reader. So, when your student is issued a Chromebook, don't immediately write it off. Take it into consideration. Let's do a cost-benefit analysis on Chromevox. Pros. First of all, it's available on every Chromebook in the world. You don't have to download or install it. You don't have to get those IT departments involved. You just have to turn it on. Also, it's one of the easiest screen readers to learn. And because it's made by Google, it is constantly being updated. The cons are, although most Braille displays connect well to Chromevox, sometimes the Braille and the way that the Braille is used is a little confusing. Sometimes the thumb keys and the cursor routing keys don't work very well, so for a really strong Braille reader, it might not be a good option. Now next week, we're going to be doing our last deep dive on VoiceOver for Mac. That's right here on Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey! If you like this video and want more content like it, use the link below to sign up for our Screen Reader Tidbits emails. These emails come out every week and show you step-by-step instructions on how to do the most basic screen reader skills. If you want the latest Tech Tip Tuesday videos, you can join our Facebook group, AT for VI Professionals. The link is below. We'll see you there.